In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add special characters in Google Vids text editor in just about 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself hunting for that perfect character to make your document stand out or to get your point across more effectively, you know it can sometimes feel like a scavenger hunt. But no worries, I've got your back. Let's dive right in and make you a pro at jazzing up your text with special characters. First off, start by navigating to Google Vids. For those of you who might not be familiar, Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, offering a versatile platform for creating and editing video content. It's a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with other Google services. Once you're there, your next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button and click on it. This should be pretty straightforward. If you've used any Google service before, it's the same process. Select your account from the list that appears if you're not automatically signed in. If you're using a shared or public computer, make sure your Google account is the one selected to keep your work private and secured. After successfully signing in, you're ready to get down to business. Navigate to the specific video project you are working on. If your project has text elements, you're all set for the next step. If not, you might want to click around and familiarize yourself with the interface a bit before proceeding. Now let's get those special characters rolling. Click on the text element you wish to edit or add to. This will open the text editing options. Within these options, look for the Insert button. This button is your gateway to adding more than just plain text to your document. Clicking on it will open up a world of possibilities, including symbols, special characters, and more. The moment has arrived to add some flair to your text. Among the options provided after clicking Insert, you will see one for special characters. Click on this option and prepare to be amazed at the variety of characters at your disposal, from mathematical symbols, currency signs, to all manner of decorative elements. This is where you find the perfect character to express your thoughts more visually. A handy tip while you're browsing through the special characters: if you have a specific character in mind but you aren't exactly sure where to find it, don't worry. There's a search bar within the special characters window where you can type in the name or description of the character. This can save you time and help you find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through hundreds of options. Once you have selected your desired special character, simply click on it and voila, it will be inserted into your text. You can then adjust its placement, size, or even color, depending on your project's needs and your personal preferences. Remember, the key to effective communication, especially when creating content, is not just in what you say, but also in how you present it. Special characters can provide that extra emphasis or clarity that words alone might not convey. Before wrapping up, a quick reminder to always save your progress. While Google Vids automatically saves your edits as you work, it's a good habit to manually save, especially after making significant changes. This just adds an extra layer of security to your work, ensuring that none of your creative efforts go to waste. And that's about it. You've just learned how to add special characters to your text in Google Vids, making your video projects even more compelling and unique. The ability to incorporate these characters not only enhances the aesthetics of your text, but also reinforces your message, allowing for a more engaging and informative viewer experience. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope this tutorial has been illuminating and that you're now feeling more confident about bringing a little extra personality and precision to your text in Google Vids. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy editing!